Hi, hello. So today I am going to be kinda shimming the cabinet lock, but it doesn't really work. So I'm going to be using a tension tool, a Z tool, I guess, and pick it. Get in. Okay, so get that in. Tension, twist, and I got this open. Oh, so I've been trying to put it this way. So I'm going to be turning it the other way so y'all can tell that I'm not lying. Oop. Okay, so I'm going to do that again. And got it. So now it'll move freely. Oh yeah, it's stuck. So if you have this open, you can be holding down the back part as a tension tool. And I'll see you in the next video. My catchphrase is gonna be wear your shoes. Yes, wear your shoes.